Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the boat live show at the NEC, and I have a very special guest called Nesha. She's from the Driftwood Folk YouTube and Instagram. I'll link them below. I'm waiting for her to arrive at the minute. I've never met her before, we've just spoken online, but this is really exciting and we're going to the show together, so let's go and explore. So Nesha has arrived and we're going to jump in the van and head over to the show now. So excited. We have just arrived at the boat show and Nesha is here with us from Driftwood Folk. Yeah. Right, we're going to have a look around now and show you what's about, because the boats here are absolutely ginormous, so let me show you what's here. Shall we go and have a look at the Swan Builder's boat? This green colour, insane. Let's go and have a look. Wow! So cool! Oh, I can't close the door. So cool! Oh! Watch the birdies in the. I like the black shell.
It works for the green, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. The marble colour's nice.
They're not in the old.
I don't think ours are white. It's not very wide.
Just the same thing saying. It's not the conditions. It's the Lancy's done.
I don't think ours is white. Are they?
There might be like a little bit wider.
The wide beams are on another level, and this one's still being built for sale, but it's like some floors are in, walls are in. I could live on this. I could live on this. Space. You could have a party on this. I think my boat is literally from this wall to that wall, but it carries on. What else is there? That's this to be your battery and then you spin around. Like, and then I imagine shower. It's just, oh, it's dark. And then bedroom. I could definitely live on here. I could definitely live on here. There's a skylight. Oh.
A shower though. Do you know what? Seeing all these black showers
Converted you. You like it?
I'm into the black taps, black showers.
I'm into the shoe covers.
Oh yeah, me too.
I might start wearing.
Sexy.
There's just so much space.
Oh my goodness.
So much space. space
So
for
big.
activities. With them.
Oh yeah, you can.
Because they are literally a house, like fitted wardrobes. You just live in. Living life. You stay in front of the boat. Oh. Just get on a paddleboard. What? Just like that. First time. Just like that. I am excited so much. Because I always say I want to go paddleboarding. Yeah. So, no. Where are you going from again? Yeah, never. Oh, no. So it's like, yeah, we're quite no, I didn't want to think. Can I just sign up? Yeah.
Paddleboarding now?
Yes, please.
Do you want to drive? So have you paddleboarded before?
I have, but I'm more kayaker than paddleboarder, so no. Yeah.
We'll give you some advice. Come on.
Yeah. Just to be safe.
Yeah, why not?
We're about to go paddleboarding on this water. How exciting.
On like a pair of trousers, in through the front, like that.
Draw your paddle all the way back.
Shoes off, anything else you want. Yeah, we'll keep you whatever you have on either side, but you just want to be able to move.
Okay. Shall I leave my phone?
You can leave it in between your rooms, not a problem.
And now you can start paddling forward.
Yeah, any watches or sharp jewellery, things like that. You just need to come off because it's got rubber seals. Yeah. Give you that one.
Got to get dry suits on. I just understand how we're supposed to do that.
Put your feet in first, and that's all I heard.
Which side? Does this fit?
I'm so confused. I think you might
So, what else has failed? I'm going in without a suit on because big pump. And Nesha's trying to get in this because she's going on a stand-up paddleboard. I'm bound to fall in. I'm going to go on the kayak and do this. Yeah, this is fun. Who knew getting changed could take about an hour? Yeah.
Nature, that goes all the way down there.
It was fun. Should we buy one? No, I think these are the guys. Oh, that was a lot of fun. We'll do it again. We'll do it again. Oh, right. Where should we go now? Having a look on this, so I can only describe as a can you even see it? mega yacht. Is that what you call it? Mega yacht. Mega yacht?
I mean, I would.
I think I would. We'll go down this one last, and then I need to go and have a look at the rope shop, and then I think we're heading home. Yeah. It's been a really good day. MTV, welcome to my crib. Here's my steering wheel. It's a full-on car steering wheel on a mega yacht. Here's my kitchen and toilet. It keeps going. And then wow. We'll go opposite ends and then I'll meet you in the middle. Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't understand this dual door thing for toilets. Then again, I suppose you walk through someone's bedroom if you don't have the dual door. Makes sense, doesn't it?
Like rich 65-year-old man vibes.
Yes. With the dark walnut colour.
Yeah.
I've realised what the toilet does is because you don't have to walk through someone's bedroom, otherwise it makes sense.
It does make sense.
It does. It's like you have in your bed, you walk through to get to your bedroom, aren't you? So I suppose it's the same. Yeah, I'm going down here now. Kitchen. Another bathroom. And then, wow. Every single floor panel lifts up as well. It's pretty cool. I don't think I could live on this. I prefer the last one. Yeah, this one's a bit much for me.
Yeah, this one doesn't feel super homely to me.
It doesn't, does it?
It does feel very like fancy.
Expensive, but
Yeah, it feels a bit fancy.
you wouldn't want to break anything.
Yeah, I would be afraid to break
Everything
it.
would cost about 10k just to fix that tap. 10k. But it's an IKEA jobby. But that is the party. I'm in love with that. It's so cool.
Yeah,
and then it's just like, hi.
Yeah, it's very cool.
I think we need to go back to our own narrowboats again. Because this is where I've had well, that's mine anyway. Can't speak for Nesha. Right, back at our own narrowboats now. So today I feel much more at home in here than I do in a mega yacht, whatever you want to call it. The ginormous yacht type boats. But I had an absolutely great day with Nesha. It was really lovely to meet her and we had a really good time at the show. So thank you Boat Life Events for inviting us over and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.